guys, good morning. So, yeah. Alright, so I already kind of got my morning started, and it's not even, I don't even think it's even 7 o'clock, so bravo to that. Things are happening, so things are progressing quite quickly. Today's only day 6, yeah, and I already started doing my scripture writing. So because I got the house all clean and everything like that, things are just starting to come together. So thank you, Sophia, for kicking me in the butt. However, I do want to say that you know, in January I did a lot of cleaning. And I hope I'm not confusing you all. I'm overlapping these two videos, and yesterday the front porch just didn't get done. So if you are, so let's back up a little bit. If you are coming on over from Sophia's channel, I am Michelle from My Everyday Wife Life. I'm a stay-at-home wife. I do cleaning videos, obviously, decluttering videos, day in the life videos, cooking videos. I don't know, anything you can think of, I do. So I need to finish that 10-day challenge with Mickey from My Bachelor Life. And then this is the 28-day cleaning routine challenge put on by Sophia at my Great Challenge. And I'm doing this in conjunction with a bunch of other YouTubers. And we had 2 new people joining. So, of course, my faves are, you know, I've been besties with these guys for a while, and we've been doing collabs. We did a collab with Sophia, I don't think that was last year, I think it was the year before. We did 30 bags in 30 days, and if you're interested in that, I'll put a link down below. So that was me and Dee from Dee Lovely Life, who's doing this challenge, and Melody from Transforming Melody. And then it was Spanky Cola, but Rhonda, aka Spanky Cola, but she's not doing this. But hey, Rhonda, you can always jump in. Let Sophia know. And then there's 2 new YouTubers that have joined in, Bea and Angela, and I'm not sure of their channel names and stuff, so I will put the link down below. But there's a playlist, so Sophia has created a playlist, so all you have to do is click on the playlist and watch everybody's video. Okay, so welcome to my channel. Here's why you need to clean your house. Because things happen, and today something is happening that's going to throw things off a little bit, but not really, because I think I can get some stuff done before, and I'll tell you what's going to be happening. So okay, so last year I tried doing a cleaning routine, and then I just gave up. Well, not really gave up. I'm just like, I'm just going to clean whenever I'm going to clean. But the truth is, I really did want a routine. So this is working. I'm having a routine now, and I want to show you my nighttime routine. I don't know if I'm going to include this in this video or not. So what happened is today I'm supposed to be watching The Littles. And some of you new people are asking, I thought you didn't have any kids, because I said something in the other video about the girls coming over. Well, I have a son, and he's 30. Yes, I'm a young empty nester. I only have 1 child. I had him when I was 20, so you do the math. Actually, that doesn't even work out, but anyway, I don't mind saying I'm 53, okay? So, yeah, so the girls I was referring to are my grandnieces. I'm very close to my sister's, girls. They're like my girls. I'm like their second mom, or whatever you want to call it. So my one niece, Amy, her children, I got puffy eyes and everything, sleep in my eyes. They're like my grandchildren. They call me Mimi, so they're coming over today. And I offered to watch them today because I haven't seen them in a while. What usually happens is we see each other so much in November and December, and it seems to happen every January. Everybody just parts their ways and does their own thing for the whole month of January. And then February, we get back together doing things again. So that's what's happening. So I hadn't seen the Littles in a while. So I offered to watch all of them then. So there's that, which that was happening anyway. So I don't even know what I'm talking about. But my sister messaged me yesterday, and her sister-in-law is not doing well, and I think you know, she's in the hospital and she needs to be in a breathing machine. I don't know, whatever. I'm not going to tell you all the details. Anyway, she's probably not going to last too much longer. So my sister's, you know, a little emotional. So I said, why don't you come on over here today and hang out with us? She's like, I don't want to intrude on your times with the littles. I'm like, no. Come over here. So the kids are coming over. My sister's coming over, and we're going to do some Valentine's crafts and stuff. So later today, I will show you my nighttime routine. Right now, I did a nighttime routine 2 nights in a row, and I amazingly don't have hardly anything to do in the morning now. So right now, all I need to do is make my bed and unload the dishwasher, and that is it. I'm going to take out something for dinner. We're having tacos tonight for dinner. And let me know, Sophia asked us too, what kind of stuff you want to see, because I don't want to show you make my bed every day. That you're going to get bored of that. So let me know. So this is one telling you what's going on today. So my point is, Michelle, get to the point. I have issues with that, guys. I'm sorry. It's just who I am. My brain doesn't work right sometimes. So the reason you need to have a routine is because when life throws you punches, then your house will still be clean. Anyway, so yeah. Hopefully that will happen this year. My house just got crazy. Sometimes it stayed clean, and then other times it didn't. I was going through a lot of stuff last year. Depression. My sister passed away. My dad had a major operation and had to take care of him. And just on and on and on. Just stuff just kept happening. So this year is going to be a good year. It's already off to a great start. I'm getting all my ducks in a row, and I'm happy everything seems to be falling into place, and I'm starting back on my scripture writing, which is a plus. So that's awesome. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to get dressed and maybe do the front porch. I'm not going to show you that because that's another video. Again, I'm sorry if I'm overlapping these videos, but I do want to finish that challenge I started with Mickey from My Bashful Life. And I just have 2 more days, and it's going to be the front porch and the back patio. Or, yeah, the front porch and the back patio. They need a major cleaning. The windows need done. There's cobwebs, there's bugs, yeah. So and the back porch needs a major wash down and stuff. It needs it. Honestly, it needs it every month, but I don't get to it every month. It's like every 3 months. So I'm going to take a look and go get dressed and do the front porch, take a shower, because the littles are coming over at 10 o'clock. I should have enough time. I got like 3 hours, right? And I need to stay busy because I am still doing the intermittent fasting, and I lost another half a pound today. Half a pound when I got on the scale today. Woo woo. All right, that's enough chit chat. I will see you tonight with my nighttime cleaning routine.
Kayla. Hi. I got an early Valentine's present for you.
Hi, Abby. Oh, that's very nice. You got me something too?
It's a scratch pack.
Oh, very nice.
It's for you and the cat.
Where's the other guys? Daddy getting them out?
Yeah.
Did you come to spend the day with Mimi?
Yeah.
Okay. You got your bag? What's in there? Didn't you say you had something for Bob?
Yeah.
What is it?
I showed you.
Okay, show me. Do it again.
Do it again.
Okay, guys, time for wanted to say time for a nighttime routine, but it's not time for that yet. It is 6:51, and Humphrey and I have not had dinner yet. We are having tacos. Well, he always has chicken tacos, and I have chicken nachos. So I'm gonna fix them real quick. After the littles left, I fell asleep. So guess what? The porch never got done again. I did half of the porch, and then I got an extreme headache. And I caved today on my intermittent fasting. I ate at 9 o'clock. Oh, I was supposed to wait till 12 to eat, and I couldn't hang. Oh, my head was killing me. And then I took a shower. I cleaned half the porch, had a headache, ate, took a shower, and the littles were here. And yeah. And I ate a snack and I took a nap. So I'm gonna make dinner, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to try to do for my nighttime routine. I've done that twice so far. Cleaned up at night. I think that's what it is. So I want to do that because it's been really nice to wake up to a clean kitchen. Don't laugh at me. I just don't. It's because we have always been in the habit of eating so late, and then I'm too tired to clean up. It's just what I've done. I don't know what to say about that. Just for years and years and years. Because my son would play football and we wouldn't get home till late. You know, I know he's 30 now. What's my excuse? Well, because hubby gets home late. He doesn't get home till like 7 o'clock. And so, you know, when my son was younger, he would play football and it'd be 8 o'clock before we eat dinner. It'd be the time he got home, did his homework, and took a shower because he was stinky from football. And so, yeah, that's just the way it happens. So, all right, I'll stop talking because guess what? I'm not combining this video with day 6 because I've talked too long. So, whatever. I'm going to make dinner and then show you my nighttime routine. Me trying to establish a nighttime routine anyway.